It is classified into three types. First one is First type is lymphoid neoplasia. First one is lymphoid neoplasia. Second one is myeloid neoplasia. First one is lymphoid neoplasia. Second one is myeloid neoplasia. Third one is histiocytic neoplasia. These are the three different types of neoplasia which are classified under WHO classification, that is lymphoid neoplasia, myeloid neoplasia and histiocytic neoplasia. But in our syllabus we will discuss about only the lymphoid neoplasia. These two will be discussed in further classes. Let us discuss about lymphoid neoplasia. In normal, let us consider this is a bone marrow house of our body, in which it consists of immature hemopoietic cells, immature hemopoietic cells. These are the immature hemopoietic cells. These are also called precursor hemopoietic cells. Now, these precursor hemopoietic cells, okay, let us consider this is a immature hemopoietic cells, that is immature hemopoietic cell. This is the immature hemopoietic cell which is present inner side of the bone marrow of our body. Now, this hemopoietic cell, immature hemopoietic cell, will undergo cyclic changes, some conformational changes. As a result, it forms three different types of matured cells, that are it results in formation of B lymphocytes, and the second chance is it forms T lymphocytes, and the third chance is it forms natural killer cells. It is once again it is a precursor hemopoietic cell. This precursor hemopoietic cell will be present in bone marrow. This is the bone marrow house of our body. Now, this hemopoietic precursor cell have capacity to form three different types of cells, that are B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes and natural killer cells. Now, let us discuss the two conditions, that are acute leukemia and chronic leukemia. What is acute leukemia? First one is acute leukemia. Let us discuss about the acute leukemia. Now, if there is any breakage in the pathway of this production of B lymphocytes, if there is any breakage here, if there is any breakage in this stage, so as a result there will be no further processing for formation of B lymphocytes. In that cases, the number of immature cells proliferation will be more. As a result, the immature cells proliferation will be more, but the mature cells number will be less. As a result, it results a condition called acute leukemia. If there is breakage or if there is any stoppage in the pathway of B lymphocytes or T lymphocytes or natural killer cells, here also it is same. If there is a break here, as a result, if there is a breakage in this pathway, it cannot be furtherly classified into 3 different types, whereas the immature cells number will be more when compared to the mature cells. This is called acute leukemia. And if we discuss second one, chronic leukemia. What is chronic leukemia? Chronic leukemia, if there in acute leukemia the breakage is near to the immature cells, whereas in chronic leukemia the breakage or the bond breakage will be near to the mature cells, that is it will be here. So as a result, if there is breakage in this point, as a result some of the immature cells can be converted into mature cells. Some of the immature cells which are proliferated can be converted into normal sized mature cells, but it cannot be furtherly proceed. The stoppage will be here. As a result, some of the immature cells becomes halfly matured. Now, at that condition is called chronic leukemia, but there is no production of this matured B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes and natural killer cells. This is the difference between acute leukemia and chronic leukemia. If we discuss the comparison between these two leukemias, acute and chronic, compared to the chronic, acute leukemia is more harmful to our body, as because the more here the immature cells number will be more, but whereas in chronic leukemia condition, some amount of the if we discuss about the chronic leukemia, some amount of the mature cells are present when compared to the immature cells. As a result, these are some mature cells. These are some mature cells. After further some procedures, it gets converted into fully mature cells, that is B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. It is about acute leukemia and chronic leukemia. And these lymphoid neoplasia are further classified into many types, that is first one is if there is blockage in the pathway of B lymphocytes near to the immature hematopoietic cells, that condition is called pre B cell leukemia. Pre B cell leukemia. This is first one is pre B cell leukemia. Second one is if the breakage will be near to the mature B lymphocytes, that is post B cell leukemia, or long, it is also called long. And in this way, if there is a blockage in the pathway of T lymphocytes which is near to the immature cells, that is pre-B cell leukemia and pre-NK cell pre-NK cell leukemia, and similarly that is post B cell leukemia and post NK cell leukemia. When we consider the possibilities, this NK cell leukemia are lesser in number when compared to the B cell leukemia and T cell leukemia. This is about WHO classification of neoplastic proliferations.